21 Ford Explorer Timberline 4x4, $36,990. 22 Ford Mustang Convertible EcoBoost Premium, $25,550. 22 Ford Escape SEL All-Wheel Drive, $24,950. Ray Varner Ford, pre-owned vehicles you can afford.
Good morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Sure hope you have a great day today. It's going to be a better day, a warmer day, more sunshine on the way, and gradually warming back closer to those seasonal averages, which by the way, is 88 degrees yesterday. Some late day sunshine. Turned out to be nice and a little toasty, right? We topped out at 84, 80 in Crossville, 81 Chattanooga, 79 though in the Tri-Cities area. Didn't pick up much in the way of rainfall yesterday. And out there this morning, really not a lot of activity. Most of it's over into the Carolinas, Georgia, North and South Carolina, up into parts of Virginia. We've had some clearings, so some sunshine is taking shape here to get the morning started, which is nice news to pass along. Now, we've been talking about this trough all week long. It's been slowly progressing its way from west to east, kind of been in a stuck weather pattern. That's why we've been trending on the cooler side. That's why we've had the clouds in place and the threat for a little bit of rain. Now, we do have this little piece of energy that's going to slide its way in, but it's going to be in the late day hours. So we're talking anytime after 5, 6, 7 o'clock tonight. Can't rule out some showers to fire up. Now, the Weather Prediction Center has issued a level 1 risk for some localized flooding and flash flooding concerns. I'm not too concerned about that whatsoever. Now, do we have a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere to work with? Sure, we do. But I just don't think that we're going to get a lot of activity. Here's what it looks like at noon today. Not much going on. Maybe a couple of pop-up showers as we get into the afternoon hours. But again, I think as we get into the evening hours, we're going to get that little push of energy, which will help to spark off some of these showers and maybe a few rumbles of thunder by the end of the day. So we are looking at a little bit better coverage of maybe some rainfall throughout the day today from what we've seen over the last couple of days. But it's nothing to write home about. We definitely need the moisture. We still are trending on the drier side. The U.S. Drought Monitor comes out tomorrow. And again, we've had abnormally dry conditions and a little bit of a drought taking shape around town thanks to the dry conditions. It's been extremely dry, by the way. All right, so morning temperatures are starting off in the 60s and 70s. The coolest, most comfortable spot is up towards Tri-Cities with a dew point of 57. That is going to make the air feel amazing, and that's trending about 2 degrees cooler this morning with air temperatures. Anyways, in Tri-Cities, everyone else is trending a little bit warmer. And our forecast highs will be trending a little bit warmer today than what we were yesterday, which is going to aid into a little bit of a heat index value today, and we'll have more sunshine. So we're going to get that solar radiation to really help to make it feel a little bit warmer as well. All right, let me show you the big picture for your Thursday. That trough continues to slide off to our east. We have a little bit of a northwesterly flow taking shape, and so can't rule out a couple of spotty afternoon showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder on Thursday. I'm not expecting much. We'll go 20% chance of rain today, about 30% Thursday, Friday, 20% as we get into the weekend. So the story is that we're not looking at a lot of rain. Now, when you add it up over a 7-day stretch, again, quarter, half an inch of rainfall possible around the area. The mountains of East Tennessee and North Carolina will get the majority of the rain. All right, so this trough has been hanging out with us, but a ridge is going to retrograde and move its way in from the Atlantic Ocean as we head through the next 7 days. And so what does that mean? That means warmer weather is on the way. So heat index values will start to climb. We'll have heat index values right around 90 degrees all the way through Friday. Then as we get into the weekend and the start of next week, our heat index values could be coming up thanks to that ridge. That's going to start to build its way back in. Not only is the heat index value going to come up because dew points come up, temperatures will be about average through the weekend and into next week. Again, an average high is 88 degrees for this time of the year. So we'll definitely keep you posted on that. Don't forget to always check in with the East Tennessee Weather app. It's your one-stop shop for weather right here in East Tennessee. It travels wherever you go. Scan that QR code in the bottom right-hand side of the screen, or just go to your app store and search East Tennessee Weather. Happy Wednesday. Have a great day.